Our second contest is a singles match scheduled for
19.3.
Actually,
submissions only.
All right, 19.
You wish. What fall?
Yeah. Oh no.
Introducing first, he hails from the Isle of Jerusalem.
Oh yes.
Weighing in tonight at 350 pounds, he is Jewmaga.
Jewmaga that works here. Walks around the place all the time. Should send him to Gaza. Place up.
New greatest song ever.
He's gonna do it.
Mussolini.
I'm scared. I don't know if that's good or not.
I gotta get myself circumcised. That was something.
Jews wear socks. Always.
And his opponent. He hails from Sneezeville, Texas. He weighs in tonight at a very sick 252 pounds. He is Head Cold Sneeze Austin!
You're cold out of here.
Oh, that's true. This is cold and flu season, jerk. Cover your mouth, 8-year-old. This is cold and flu season, jerk. Where's the Purell?
Okay, you ready? Okay, you're ready? Okay. Are you ready? That's not an answer, but okay. Ring them out! Venom, why do you even wear that?
Blasted ice.
Come on! Come on!
You just try that?
Come on! Open up the fist! Come on! Come on! Okay. Do whatever you want.
Crack monster is out.
Oh! What did we just talk about?
Oh, that gosh, sanitary.
Oh my gosh.
Gave him a virus.
Computer virus. Oh yeah! Right on target. Born mitzvah!
Oh, no. Thumbs up. Yeah. Oy vey.
Bring them out!
Oy vey.
Oh shit.
What the?
You're quite powerful, I can see that. I'm Gandalf White, not challenging SSW's super creatures of lots of power and stuff. Yes. The Valador versus the Jew, just like old times, right? Yeah,
The eternal struggle.
do it.
You pretty much can't say no to that.
It's like Ultimate Warrior versus Hulk Hogan.
What are you thinking right now?
Come on, the match is over. Come on. He's got
Come on!
What kind of spike?
Nah! Ah, come on!
Dirty Jews and their wet willies.
Oh no!
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Here, take.
They call that wet Woody. Woody Allen.
Here you go.
Oh yeah, get your. I don't want to touch your thing. Here.
Maybe invest in some Purell.
I'll get a shot of that.
Oh, man.